all your needs covered. FUCHS Lubricants and Solutions for all cement plant applications. We support you throughout the whole cement manufacturing process and beyond. With a full range of lubricants and solutions, and right around the globe. FUCHS, your partner for excellent lubricants. Unique know-how of cement processes and integrated full-service solutions. Quarry. The equipment in quarries works in the harshest conditions. Excavators and loaders, trucks, and crushers are exposed to vibrations, massive loads, dust, and environmental conditions. We provide engine, gear, and hydraulic oils, heavy-duty and bearing greases, raw material preparation. For raw material preparation, a wide range of special lubricant solutions is needed, from blending beds to the grinding units. We deliver chain oils and special oils and greases, as well as lubricants for gearboxes and synthetic heavy-duty oils. Hot processing. When it comes to kilns and clinker coolers, you can rely on our open gear and high-temperature lubricants, as well as on special lubricants for gearboxes, thrust and support rollers, and cleaner for degreasing of metal parts. Finish grinding. Finish grinding requires equipment like vertical roller mills, roller presses, or tube mills, which demand different lubrication solutions. Be it high-performance oils for trunnion bearings and gearboxes, as well as special open gear lubricants for spray, bath, and circulation lubrication. Loading and packaging. Modern machines for loading and packaging need high-quality lubricants to work reliably over a long period of time. Full solution and services. Our customers also benefit from our global expert network with the most profound technical expertise, as well as our more than 60 years experience in open gear services, like on-site monitoring, cleaning, and reprofiling. With the analysis of oils and greases, we support our customers with proven and state-of-the-art optimization solutions. In addition, we provide trainings in various fields, like lubrication and maintenance academies, plant lubrication audits, and software solutions. With FUCHS, you'll get complete, reliable solutions, providing optimized lubrication and maintenance routines to increase longevity for your key machinery. From quarry to lorry, on a global scale. FUCHS, all your needs covered. Your lubricants and solutions for all cement plant applications. Talk to us on your specific needs. FUCHS, all your needs covered.